Hello friends, previously we studied about respiratory system of human body. Today we will discuss the circulatory system. Nourishment from the digested food and fresh oxygen from the lungs is carried to different parts of the body by the blood. The blood circulating in the body keeps on carrying fresh nourishment and bringing back waste products. All this get done by a system of organs which constitute the circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of the following organs. First is heart. Heart is located slightly towards the left in the chest. ये chest में थोड़ा सा left की तरफ होगा. It is a muscular organ, roughly of the size of the closed fist of the person. जो आपकी बंद मुट्ठी है, उस size का heart size होता है. The heart is divided into two equal halves, left half and right half. Each half is further divided into two chambers, which have a common opening between them. There are thus four chambers in all. The upper two chambers are called auricle or atriums, and the lower two chambers are called ventricles. The left auricle, atrium, and left ventricle contain oxygen-rich blood. This means here, this red portion, left auricle and left ventricle contains oxygen-rich blood. The right auricle and the right ventricle contain blood having carbon dioxide in it. The main function of the heart is to pump blood and keep it moving in the blood vessel. Blood vessels. There are two types of vessels, artery and veins. Blood moves around in the body through a system of tubes called the blood vessels. They are of three types: the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries. The vessels which take blood away from the heart to various parts of the body is called arteries. जो ब्लड को हार्ट से दूर ले जाता है, दैट इज द आर्टरीज, और जो हार्ट की तरफ लेकर आता है उनको वेन्स बोलते हैं. आर्टरी कैरी ऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड एंड वेन्स में जो ब्लड होता है वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कैरी ब्लड. द वेसल ब्रिंगिंग ब्लड बैक टू द हार्ट फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी are called veins. Generally, arteries carry oxygen-rich blood while the veins carry blood having carbon dioxide in it. Arteries are elastic and thick-walled and are deep-seated. The veins are thin-walled and superficial as they are located just under the skin. The arteries and veins are connected to each other by fine vessels called the capillaries. And vein and arteries आपस में connected होती हैं with the help of capillaries. Blood, it is a thick red fluid containing red blood cells जिनको हम RBC बोलते हैं, and white blood cells WBC and blood platelets. The functions of blood are two. क्या function है blood का? Functions of blood are transport oxygen, food materials and hormones to all part of the body. ये oxygen, food materials, hormones को body के सभी parts तक पहुंचाता है, transport करता है. Take back carbon dioxide from all parts of the body to the lungs. Protect the body from disease and other infections. Take back carbon dioxide from all parts of the body to the lungs. Protect the body from disease and other infections. Help to maintain the body at a constant temperature. Do this activity. Place 2 or 3 fingers slightly on your friend's wrist, close to the thumb base. Count the number of pulses in 1 minute and take a note of it. Next, count the pulse rate after that friend has carried out some exercise. Is there any change in the 2 pulse rate? जब आप एक्सरसाइज करेंगे then pulse rate increase हो जाएगी. And second activity, observe the hand and legs of your parent as well as your own. Look at the greenish blue lines just below the skin. These are the veins that can be seen easily. Arteries which lie a little deeper under the skin cannot be seen easily. Blood contains a substance called hemoglobin which contains iron. और जो color है blood का red color, that is due to this hemoglobin. And some insects have blue, green or colorless blood. They have no hemoglobin. The left side of the heart is bigger than the right side of the heart. तो left side है heart का bigger होता है as compared to right side of the heart. The heartbeat is the sound the heart make when the heart valves open and close. A doctor can listen to the sounds by placing a stethoscope on your chest. Humans have 4 types of blood group: A, B, AB and O. The rate of heartbeat varies from person to person. The heartbeat on an average 72 times per minute. The beat rate increases during exercise, exertion or when a person is excited. The heart of a newborn baby beats 140 times per minute, whereas the heart of 3-year-old child beats 100 times per minute. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.